Hello and welcome to Mile High Food Trucks. Today we are shipping this beautiful Southeast Asian fusion style food truck, and it's got a lot of very interesting features. One being this beautiful wrap that is on the outside. Check that out. It also has a TV for menu display right here. Right there, pops right up, of course. LED lighting on the outside, as it is with every other food truck that we ship. And of course the service window, which is self-closing. This truck had a soft opening the other day, so the inside isn't as clean as usual, but it still is beautiful, and we love showing this off. This used to be a Lay's truck, Lay's delivery truck. So the back used to be, it is fiberglass. So we had to reinforce the body significantly. There are steel 1 by 1 inch steel members at 1 foot distance all along this truck, so as it can carry the weight of the wall itself and the 1650 CFM fan on top, the hood, etc. These walls, the truck didn't come with it. We had to build that out of aluminum. Of course, we reinforced with steel on the inside. Right there is the propane tank. As with other food truck builds, we use a belly tank, 80 pounds. Of course, it locks in place. Door in the back, of course, and the menu display, TV menu display, and the service window. That right there is how you drain the water. You just pull the plunger and the water just falls out. Let's go see inside and see its many features. On the inside is a refrigerator, of course, the ABC fire extinguisher, 10-foot hood with Ansel fire suppression, that's a 2-burner stove, 36-inch Charbroiler, 24-inch Griddle, and 2 fryers. 240-pound fryers. The fryers, they come with these custom lids that we make, a generator box, rice cooker, a K-series fire extinguisher. Inside this box is, of course, the Ansel fire suppression system. That is the pull lever over there. You can see the tags on top of them. Right there is the 36-inch sandwich prep. The service window, of course, self-closing. The walls are completely stainless with LED lights on top on the inside. As with every food truck we make, every single electrical equipment inside has its own breaker, and it's of course labeled. All the wiring is in conduits, so as to protect from the elements and movement, because the walls, they kind of shake, and over time wears down the wires. Inside this box that is covered in diamond plate is the TV. You can see that there are grommets from which there are wires, so you can connect to a HDMI port for connecting to a laptop, or in this case they're actually using a USB drive to run it. The sinks, the 3-compartment sink and hand wash sink, water heater, of course, and the refreshing grey water tanks. That brings us to the end of the tour on this beautiful food truck. The soft opening was on Friday. If you need a food truck yourself, or if you would like to get a quote for that, contact us through our website, milehighcustomfoodtrucks.com and zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you and have a nice day.